back, and today I'm just going to do a box for Gravedigger big with BKT tiles on it. What's it going to have for today? I have that one, made these, and I have master donation, but I don't have these. I have maxed, but I don't have this. But I don't. Never mind, it comes from with doubles. But I have a Bakugan Dragonoid, and I have a zombie on me this. So here it is, the Gravedigger with BKT. That was quick. So here's a Gravedigger with BKT. Oh my, I just caught myself. And here's a Gravedigger with BKT tiles on it. It has a battle bone on it. It does roll frequently. It does have a rain wand on it, and a Monster Jam book or poster, or whatever you can call it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you. Before that, here's a Gravedigger on it. I will see you guys next time.